Welcome back to Auto Cars Play, where today we're diving into something truly special, the return of an icon, the Mitsubishi Pajero 2025. If you've been following the SUV world, you already know that the Pajero name carries a legacy of rugged reliability and off-road dominance. Now, Mitsubishi has brought it back with a fresh design, modern technology, and the same adventurous spirit that made it famous across deserts and mountains for decades. In this video, we'll explore exactly what makes the new Pajero stand out in a world filled with SUVs trying to claim the crown. Under the hood, the 2025 Pajero comes with a refined 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine, producing an impressive 180 horsepower and over 430 Nm of torque. That means you're getting plenty of pulling power for towing, climbing steep trails, or just making sure you never feel underpowered on the highway. There's also talk of a plug-in hybrid variant that could be launched later in the year, blending electric efficiency with proven diesel strength. For now, though, diesel remains the heart of the Pajero, delivering both durability and long-range capability, perfect for adventurers who don't want to be tethered to the city. The exterior design shows Mitsubishi's latest dynamic shield styling. The front end has a bold, upright grille flanked by slim LED headlights, giving the Pajero a modern yet unmistakably tough look. You'll notice squared-off wheel arches and strong character lines running along the sides, creating a muscular profile that hints at its off-road intentions. Around back, LED tail lamps and a tailgate-mounted spare will keep the classic Pajero silhouette alive. Depending on the trim, you can choose between 18-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and even a factory snorkel for deep water fording. Step inside, and the Pajero feels more premium than ever. The cabin is spacious, with 3 rows of seating and high-quality materials throughout. Soft-touch surfaces, stitched leather, and brushed aluminum accents make it clear that Mitsubishi wants this SUV to feel comfortable on long journeys. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced climate control with rear seat vents to keep everyone comfortable. Safety has been significantly upgraded, with Mitsubishi's suite of driver assistance systems now standard. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking this large SUV surprisingly easy. Whether you're navigating narrow city streets or reversing on a rocky trail, you'll feel confident behind the wheel. Mitsubishi hasn't forgotten the Pajero's roots. The Super Select 4WD system remains, allowing you to switch between rear-wheel drive, full-time four-wheel drive, and low-range gearing for extreme off-road situations. Combined with hill descent control and generous ground clearance, the Pajero 2025 is ready to tackle whatever terrain you throw at it. The return of the Pajero is more than a nostalgia play, it's a statement that there's still a place for genuine off-roaders in the modern market. If you're searching for a vehicle that blends heritage, capability, and updated technology, the new Pajero deserves a spot on your shortlist. Stay tuned for our full driving impressions and detailed off-road test coming soon.